man. Who is that? Oh man, that's Alicia.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be getting my nape cut color. Do not mind how like in the cut and like suspect I look. I'm actually at my girlfriend's shop and I'm hiding back here, and it's like her shop's right there and I'm hiding back here, and then you come up the steps and then I'm over here because I'm awkward and I don't know what to do. I'm getting my nape cut color today. This is what it looks like. You'll get a better look later if that wasn't good. It looks like trash. It's been a few weeks. I haven't had a retwist in a month, and today's my second retwist, but you should have seen my second retwist in my lock update, which should be before this video. So if you didn't see that, go check it out. Today we're getting my nape cut color. We're doing that. Okay guys, so here she's just cutting my hair. My girlfriend is actually a barber, so she's cutting my hair because what she told me is that you should always color your cut and never cut your color, because basically if you're cutting your color, you're just wasting product, and it's just a bunch of hair that you just colored and then you're cutting all the color off. So she cuts it down first so she can use less product in the long run. So basically, like I said, she said you should always color your cut, never cut your color. And if you would like a more detailed video on how she actually cuts my nape cut and all that stuff, because she is my girlfriend, so she wouldn't mind going into detail and doing a little voiceover for me explaining what she does, it might not help. I don't know, you might want to go to an actual barber video. But yeah, if you would like a more detailed video on how she actually is cutting my hair right now, let me know, because I'm sure she wouldn't mind doing that for you. But yeah, I'm not a barber, so I cannot explain any of this right now. She's just fading out my hair and doing as much as she can. For bleach, we're going in with 40 to 50 volume developer. I know that is pretty high, but also I don't care about the health of my hair, because like you know, this is a nape cut. So you know, with a nape cut, if you have a nape cut, you know, you get your nape cut every 2 to 3 weeks, so it really doesn't matter about damaging the hair. But I would say the only thing that matters in this case is the sensitivity of your skin, because 40 to 50 volume developer is really high, so it could hurt, it could like damage your skin. I don't know, it's never damaged my skin, and I do have sensitive skin. But the reason why we use such a high developer is because we want to lift the hair to the highest like lightness, I guess, because the higher your hair is lifted, the better your color will come out. Basically, your color will be more vibrant. And we only leave this on for about 30 to 45 minutes depending on how it feels, because if she uses 50 volume developer, sometimes it burns more and I get over it. So I don't know, it depends on which one we use, but most times we leave it on for about 30 to 45 minutes. And this shower cap is just to help the hair develop faster. So the color we're using is by Wella, and these are the Color Charm paints. I'll insert the colors on the side because I did not see that fast enough, but it's a fuchsia color and an orange color. We're using two colors because you'll see later we're going to be trying to attempt to do an ombre. So yeah, that's what we were attempting to do, but you'll see later that did not go so well. But we'll try again. I think it was just because the orange was more so the same color as my skin and also my hair, so I don't think it didn't take well, like I said in the video. I just think that I'm an orange person because I'm light skinned, so I think it just didn't show up well in my skin tone. So yeah, that's why it didn't work out for what I believe. Here she's going to be placing the pink on the top and the orange on the bottom. You'll see what she's doing. I'm talking a little bit faster than she's moving, so you'll see. But yeah, we're putting the pink on the top, orange on the bottom. It didn't work out. I do think it'll work out because the way she did it, like you'll see the process that she's using. I think she did a really good job in the process that she took. I just really think it didn't work out because of my skin tone, because I said in the video, as you'll see in a few minutes, I said it didn't take. It did take, it just didn't show well because of my skin tone. Also because the color of my hair, the lightener, it was kind of a yellow orange color, so it just didn't look that great. So here she's just taking the brush and she's blending in between the colors just to make sure everything is blended, make sure it's a real ombre. She did a really good job at blending it and making it into an ombre. She did a great job, so that wasn't the problem. I just think it'll work better if we just use a different color. I just won't use an orange color anymore because, like I said, based on my skin tone and based on the color of the lightener, it just didn't look great. It didn't show up well. can tell she's real focused right here because my girlfriend's pretty good at not getting in front of the camera because she knows how irritated I get when I have to edit and see that she got in the way. But she was so focused. You can kind of see it over her shoulder. She is blended very well. She did a really good job. So I really cannot wait to try it again. We just have to pick, like I said, pick better colors because the ombre, look at it, guys. She did such a good job with the ombre. It looks amazing. It's just the color didn't take well because of my skin tone, which is so annoying. My hair is currently soaking. I have my shower cap on because my locks are deconditioning, but my nape cut is currently developing the color. As you guys have seen, we did use the orange and the pink to ombre them, but we wound up washing it out to see the final color, and the orange didn't stick the way I like, so we went back over it and just did the whole entire nape cut pink, so it's going to develop pink if you're wondering why. But yes, I'm going to let this sit for 45 minutes and then we're going to wash it off. So here's what the color is looking like, guys. It came out pretty good. This is just the pink tone. And most times I only do my nape cut pink. We were just trying to be like cool that day. But anyway, now she's going in to line up the back of my hair. And I know you guys seen that she did cut my hair earlier, but she did not line my hair. So I recommend if you're doing the color yourself and you can't do the cut yourself, just color your hair and go to the shop, because you do not want to go to the shop first and get them to line up your hair the way she's doing me now. And then you put that bleach over your hair. That's gonna burn really bad because with those liners, they create a little indentation in the skin. It's not like it's cutting you and like trying to kill you or anything, but it does kind of go into your skin, because even when they put the alcohol on your hair after a cut, you can feel that burn if you're used to getting your hair cut. So if you're doing the color yourself and getting the cut done in the shop, just do your color first and then go to the shop. I know I did just say you should always color your cut and not cut your color, but in this case you just have to, because my girlfriend's doing my hair, so she knows the steps to take. But if you're doing this yourself, you definitely don't want to go to the shop first and then come back home and color your hair, because it will burn extremely bad to put that bleach where those liners just hit. Right now she's just cleaning it up, making sure it looks good, and she's just going in to do any final touch-ups that she sees and she just needs to do. Result, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you have any color suggestions, let me know, because I'm definitely down to try any color.
Don't touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear.